Well, hi guys. Thanks for joining us here again today. And I'd just like to thank everybody that has been subscribing. It really makes a huge difference, and it prompts me to make some more videos for you guys. So I have read every single comment, and if I haven't replied to you, I've given a thumbs up to acknowledge the post. So thanks for that, guys. Thank you very much. Some of the questions I'll be addressing today, and one of them was the music in the background of the videos. So yes, sure, I suppose it could become distracting. However, when I'm doing something and I have a section where it's fast forwarding, and if there's nothing there at all, I think that might become a bit boring, and I can't be talking about continuously over that. So what I will do in the future is I'll just put very soft music in the background so it doesn't become too distracting. But I did take note of that. The other thing that was asked is, why don't I play the guitar afterwards? And the main reason for that is I'm not the best guitarist, but if that's what you want, I will endeavor to do that after I've done or worked on a guitar. But the best you're going to get is some chords and a couple of pentatonic scales. But let's see how we go with that. The reason I haven't been putting up too many videos is because the pandemic has hit us very hard, and we were in constant lockdown, not lockdown, lockdown, not lockdown. So the music industry was a bit on its toes, and there was not much going around, which obviously means not many guitarists are playing the guitar, which means again that there's not much work coming in. But also another reason is that I think I covered quite a few of the subjects already, and I didn't quite see the point of rehashing old things that you can see anyway. But I'll see if there's anything interesting. As soon as there's something interesting to do or to film, I'll definitely post those up. Another question was about the fretting, and that was on the Tokai that had a fret ding over there. Of course, I could have replaced the fret, which means it would have been higher, which means I would have to lower it to the height of the other frets, but all the other frets were also worn down. So by the time I would have been done, it would have been just as simple just to leave the fret as is and just level the board, which is what I did. And which is what the customer wanted as well. He didn't want to go to the expense of refretting the whole guitar because he was going to sell it anyway. Okay, so the update for this white guitar, which is the purpose really of this video. This is one of the guitars that I painted with spray cans, or rattle cans as some people like to call them. And it literally was this. And you'll see from the B-roll that the paint is held up very well, actually. And it's not like the guitar's been in a case all this time. I've actually played this, and I must have done over 100 gigs with this guitar already as is. The Les Trem 2 that you see, I fitted recently. So that's why that looks a bit more shiny than the rest of the gold hardware. In general, if it's something that you want to do, please don't be afraid to give it a go. It's fairly long lasting, it's durable, and of course depends how you treat the guitar, obviously. But I tend to look after my stuff, so that's why it still looks pretty new in that sense, and it probably will for the next 5 years, 10 years, easy. So yeah, you can go ahead and give that a go. I'll also be doing a video on my other guitar, which you might have seen on the Facebook website, and we'll talk about that in another video. Right, so thank you very much. Thanks to all the subscribers. I really appreciate it. It really prompts me to make some more videos for you guys. And as soon as something interesting comes in, I'll definitely film it and I'll put it up. Thank you very much, and we'll see you soon. Please subscribe.